Welcome to week 10, which is chapter 14 in your textbooks, the lymphatic and immune systems. I love this picture that I found to use this week, and I hope you do too, because when you look at that picture, it really is about protection. And that's really what we talk about with our bodies this week and going through this body system. A lot of the anatomy and physiology for the immune system and the lymphatic system, they keep them separate, so pay attention to that so that you can look at them and be able to understand them separately. There is a great big grouping here of your yellow vocab terms to really make sure you read through and understand. Getting to our new combining forms and prefixes, no suffixes this time. There's really only a few, and in fact, I'm looking at 6 different combining forms and 2 prefixes. So that's really, really nice. And good for you. You know, not a lot of flashcard work you got to do this week, thank goodness. The pathologic conditions are really good. Any allergies, talking about allergies, and then hypersensitivities, and then malignancies. Then into lab tests are super important, clinical procedures, and then you're done. It's a pretty short chapter for having 2 body systems. So pay close attention and let me know if you have any issues or questions.